I'm a carpenter, so it ranges from first fix, second fix, roofs, hanging doors, anything. I studied in College Guard in Amlford. I did 3 years apprenticeship there. After that I sort of went on a journey of competing with world skills and eventually went self-employed. So we started off in more local competitions with regional competitions with Wales and progressed over to the national finals and got picked for the UK squad and got as far as team selection, which was last week. But unfortunately I was picked to the post in the last minute. I was sort of motivated to be self-employed because of the journey I've been on with World Skills. It gave me that little push to take the big leap.
I think Simon is a young lad that wasn't 100% happy with just achieving an apprenticeship programme. He wanted more out of the experience, and his dedication over the last 18 months has been immense. If we could bottle that and give it to other apprentices coming through, it would be a massive step forward for Wales and the economy.
In 5 years' time, I see myself as a slightly larger company, maybe employing a few people, maybe a few apprentices. Sky's the limit, I suppose.